Mama's Kitchen. And today we're gonna be making something so beautiful and delicious. It's called Apple Blackberry Galette. And here are the very basic ingredients. So we need this pastry. It's called a puff pastry. You can get it at any local store. We have Golden Delicious apples, but you can really use any apples what you like. Then we have the blackberries. Wash them and leave them in the plate for now. Wash the apples as well, and we're gonna peel them and cut them. We also have sugar, and we have cinnamon for taste, and then we have granulated sugar. That is for the end, okay? So this is very simple. Grab yourselves a really small knife, and we're gonna start peeling the apples, and we'll cut them into smaller pieces, and then we're gonna transfer them to this scallop right here, and we're gonna cook them. I'll show you the following steps. So now that we've peeled the apples, here's how we're gonna cut them. So into smaller pieces. So at this point, the apples are nicely cut into smaller and thin pieces, and we're gonna be transferring them to the scallop. It is on medium high, so you should hear a little bit of sizzling. You can also use butter. Some people use butter. I don't usually use butter in most of my recipes. I try to avoid it. I like to cook really healthy. Although butter is a natural ingredient, but I try to avoid it in my cooking and in our house. At this point, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon to taste and sugar. You can use brown sugar as well to substitute. This is going to take about 10 minutes now to kind of cook it down. And once it is half cooked, don't overcook it, half cooked, because it's going to go back into the stove. Please let it to cool for about 10 minutes before we will do the pastry, okay? Before it goes into the pastry, it needs to be cooled down a bit. Grab your favorite cup with a big diameter of circle. This we're gonna use as a tool to cut our circles, and you just press them down, and the circle is made, and you just pop them, okay? So at this point in time, now that we have cut out the circles, what we're gonna do now, the apples are now cooled down. I'm gonna show you one, and then I'll show you how the rest look. They don't have to be perfect, so you're just gonna place a few apples. You're gonna create a little hole for the blackberry. We're gonna grab this one, fit it right in the middle, and we're gonna seal it. So sealing it, okay, you're gonna pinch and pinch and pinch and pinch some more. They don't have to be perfect, okay? Seal it right here. And what I forgot to show you at the beginning is we also needed a brush and one egg. So we're gonna brush each one of them as well, and that will help to seal it, okay? And also, you can use a little bit of tiny bit of sugar on top of each one. And that's it. So now we have the stove preheated to 375, and we're gonna put them in the middle shelf for 20 minutes, and we're gonna come back when everything is ready. Now they're out from the stove and they look like this. So this is without the granulated sugar, this is with a little bit. So we have put a little bit of granulated sugar right here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna sift it and sift. Let them cool down before you do this. That's it. We have friends coming over, so they're definitely gonna enjoy this, okay? And I hope you do too. So thank you for watching. Please, if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And have a wonderful day, and please try this recipe.